Tonight's Market Monitor is calling the recent sell-off in the markets a short-lived retreat. And he says dollar cost averaging over the next 2 months may not be a bad idea. Joining us is Gene Peroni, Portfolio Manager with Advisors Asset Management. Good to see you again, Gene.
Great to be here, Sue. Thank you.
You know, the thing that strikes me is the severity of the sell-off, the volatility that went along with it, and the fact that we took out some very key technical levels. How much damage has been done this week?
Oh, there's been some, no doubt. I mean, there was a lot of hair trigger selling. You could see it when stocks breached these widely watched technical support levels. And I think that really just had to do with a lot of anxiety. There'd been a lot of anticipation about a big correction. So we did see some panic selling, some irrational selling here by the end of the week. And I think that was depicted in the volatility index moving up as it did.
Let's get some names on your buy list here at these prices, Gene, led by Celgene. Tell me about that one and what your argument is.
Well, Tyler, it's one of the stocks in the healthcare group that I consider a core holding. It's in the biotechnology area. Of course, it's a large cap name there. What impresses me about this stock is its long-term performance history. That is, we did go through a pretty good correction in biotechnology stocks in the March-April period. This has been one of those biotechs that has not only rebounded, but moved subsequently to new record high territory. So I think that kind of durability in the longer term trend, the short term elasticity does indicate that this stock has further to go on the upside. I like the healthcare group, and I certainly like the biotechs here going forward.
And you also like Polaris, which competes with Harley-Davidson. It makes recreational vehicles and things like that. Why do you like it, Gene? I know it's had good results lately.
It has. The earnings in the latest quarter were the best quarterly showing in some time. Not only that, but the outlook by the company is also very strong. You know, so if you put a chart, if you overlay the charts of Harley-Davidson HOG against Polaris, you'll see short-term Harley-Davidson stock has been trending lower. This stock has been trending higher. Now, one of their divisions, Indian Motorcycles, kind of a reincarnation of the old original Indian, seems to be gaining some market share. But they have other recreational equipment, both for the consumer and for commercial use also. So this is a very strong company. Again, good long-term history in terms of performance, doing great in this market environment.
I saw one of those Indian cycles down on the Jersey Shore last week, and they were really beautiful. Let's move to your final pick tonight, and that is Western Digital. What's your price target here, and why are you in favor of it?
Well, I think Western Digital can move to the 120-plus area here over the next 12 months. Again, when we choose a stock for our portfolios, we're looking to assure that there are other similarly attractive stocks representing that same subcategory. So when we look at the data storage area, there are other attractive stocks. But in our view, Western Digital is the leader in this space, in data, audio, and video. So we think that this is a real growth area. Here again, another one of these stocks that's been trending higher and is just below its record high here, just a few points below it, despite the kind of week that we suffered through here.
Right. Gene, any disclosures for us on the 3 picks that you gave us?
Well, all of these stocks are held in our managed accounts and also in a number of the unit investment trusts that I supervise. I don't hold any of these stocks directly, but indirectly through the UITs.
Right. All right, Gene, thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Good to see you again.
Thank you, Sue.
Gene Peroni with Advisors Asset Management.